How to unregister Gcash account from another phone. So if your Gcash account is registered to another phone and you want to use it to or on a new device, follow these steps. Step number one, log into Gcash on the new phone. Open the Gcash app on the new phone, enter your registered mobile number and tap next. Step number two, verify your identity. Gcash will send a one-time password OTP to your registered number. Enter the OTP to confirm it's your account. Step number three, unlock the old device automatically. Gcash will automatically log out your account from the previous phone, so when you're logging in to the new one. Step number four, manually log out on the old phone. This is optional, of course. If you still have access to the old phone, open the Gcash app, go to Profile, then Settings, then tap Logout. Step number five, reinstall Gcash on the new phone if needed, of course. If the app still shows an error, install and reinstall it on the new phone. Step number six and the last, contact Gcash support if problems continue. So if you see error like your account is already registered to another phone, contact Gcash Help Center. Open the app and go to Help, fill or file a ticket and explain the issue. Provide your registered mobile number and proof of ownership if asked. This process will unregister your Gcash account from the old one and allow you to use it in your new one. So this is how to unregister Gcash account from another phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.